The chicken turned to us where the eggs came from. Hi friends, I want to tell you that should be the nest in our option. Nest shall be located deep in the chicken coop. It should the duck and then there should be calm. An eggs and such a process during which the chicken must be relaxed. Darkness and solitude contribute in this process. Now one chicken pull another the want to sit in the nest too. Why? The filling in the nest shall be sawdust in the feather from the walled pillow. That is something soft. We use it to lay straw on hair. The chicken turned to us where the eggs came from. Why is she boring here? So there is the basic on the nest that is like a dark place in the top and the polos. I have everything about nest. We have nest on this side, on the other. The ideal option in the middle. For the who's just starting, what the bird would understand where the nest is. There is necessary to simulate on eggs, for example, tennis balls. In this is not done, then the bird will choose a place on this own, which you will find the chicken coop and ledge of the bushes in the yard. Why does she bother her? But I try not to interfere with the process. They have their our self-organization. Maybe they help another. She needs in this nest. Goodbye, my friends.